authentic manifold bolt. God damn it.
Oh, that's smart too. I don't know if that's record me taking stuff apart.
Oh yeah, you record everything.
Well, no, it's smart to record taking it apart so you can see how to put it back.
Oh yeah.
And then time to get fuel injector rail off.
So neat. There another one?
No, there you go. Wait, is that another?
These? Maybe? No, no, never mind. No. Yeah, oh,
there you go.
I just pulled them all out.
Make sure you pull the right one out.
Yeah, let me.
Chris Hicks.
No, hell no. Hey Google,
You knew that, man.
what is the firing order on a 2000 Toyota Celica GT?
You don't have to look at that.
You have to take them out in order?
Oh, yeah, so this is number 4. Dang, I was about to take this one out.
No, it's probably not like that. I don't know. Well, look at the order from which one's number 1, which one's number 2, 3, 4. And I think that's probably that's the way.
What? What is? What's the only way?
So, we'll see which one. It's probably not based on firing order. So, yeah. You know how they have the regular. You know how, like, they have it labeled number 1, 2, 3, 4? That's probably how they have it. Not based on firing order.
Okay.
I don't know why they don't just
Thinking
number
about
the
it.
fucking
Why?
engine.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Numbers on the
That I
fucking
know.
block.
You know what I'm saying? So we need to find out.
But the firing order though, that's how it fires though. And if it's firing 1, 2, 3, 4 or something, it wouldn't. That would be
The one that you
4th. That's the number 4 that's firing.
Let's
You know what I
look it
mean?
up. Let's look it up.
I did. And it's saying 1, 3, 4, 2.
It's,
So it's saying this is 4. But at the same time, this is one
Well, no,
this is one I was going to replace because, like you said, most websites and stuff say it should total sales are
Because-
simple. It's just 1, 2, 3,
Bro,
4.
did you only buy one?
Huh?
You
Yeah.
only bought one?
yeah, I bought it.
I'd say buy another one. Just replace both of them. It's not like it's going to damage anything. If you replace both of them, if anything, it'll just make it better. So you can just cover both your bases. Replace the one that you think is the 4th one
Yeah.
first. If that doesn't fix your problems, then replace the other one.
It's,
But I'm a money problem type of person. I'm like, just
I
if
think
you don't fix it,
the one I think we looked it up and the 4th one was closest to
are you trying to take this off?
which
Yeah.
side was it? I can't remember. Do you remember which?
Your fingers weren't touching the actual brackets.
I'm trying to think which side it was exactly for you.
Oh, you got fire, tell you.
Is that the 4th cylinder?
I mean, most websites are saying 1, 2, 3, 4.
So
But the firing order, I don't know. Yeah.
no, it's more likely if it's the 4th one, it should be the one all the way at the closer to the driver's side.
You don't have your stock manual?
I do.
It may be in there. It should tell you. Because I know the Volkswagens, it tells you.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you look at the engine page. That's one of those things, like sometimes it's like, really and truly, you don't have to look up too much because the manual really does have a lot of the stuff that you need. Most of the time. Most of the time. Yeah.
If it has the cylinder it's numbered, we'll find
It
out.
should. Well, it's like, it's the manual. It should have the cylinders numbered. But this is once again all of the me saying if they did things properly.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. What year's your car?
2000.